He slept through the loudest volcanic eruption in modern history and somehow survived. In 1980, Mount St. Helens exploded with the power of 1,600 atomic bombs. People heard the blast from 300 kilometers away, but one man didn't. A logger named Ron was sleeping in his trailer, just 10 kilometers from the volcano. The explosion flattened forests, sent rocks flying like missiles, and created a shockwave so powerful it blew buildings apart. But Ron? He woke up flying through the air, still inside his bed. He landed 3 kilometers away, covered in ash, but alive. Doctors said his deep sleep actually saved him from the shockwave. They call him the man who slept through a volcano. Would you survive?